So now I've finally finished the camper van conversion on my Vivaro 2007. It's a long wheelbase. Got the solar panel on top there. So I charge the batteries with solar panel and through the alternator off the motor as well. So just start from the back here. I first put in some black light stopping curtain material there, and I got wood panel, and on here I got some rock wool insulation, bit of insulation in there as well. Same on this side, same thing again. So start from the back here. Here's the kitchen little area here. I got my utensils and other stuff. Got the red spirit burner there to cook my food. Got the food under here. Just reach down there and grab it whenever you need it. And some stuff that can be a little bit too big, we can get it through from here. So there's a little point I'd like to make here. You got some wood sticks there, and they go across here. So if I ever wanted to expand the bed, I got four of these and more of these slats here that I can pull out, add them here, so I can make the bed a little bit bigger here. I'm just gonna make a little mattress for that. I've got a plastic mat there, so my shoes, when they're wet, they don't dirty up the floor. I've got a drawer here, I can have my clothes that I don't use so often. Some shoes. Take off my shoes. So here we have a little hanging pocket sort of tidy thing here. I can add stuff to that over time. Behind the curtain we have the door, which can still open. Just the insulation in the door there as well. So at the moment I don't have the 240 volt inverter turned on, but when I do that, I go down here, I just click it on. So it's just a normal 240 volt lamp, LED lamp. Yeah. Carpet on the wall here, glued on there with some contact glue. I've got the CO2 measure here. So it takes a while for it to heat up. But yeah, you got the CO2 level on the top there. You got some air quality control there, those other two. You got the temperature and the humidity. That's pretty cool to have. Yeah, so I got the desk here, so I can have my LED screen there, and have a laptop or whatever. I've got the drawers down here. That's for my easy access to t-shirts, socks, that sort of thing. I've got the, I can share this one here. This is the voltage of the battery. I got USB port here. It comes straight from the batteries. And I've got a switch here which turns on the fan, which sucks in air from the cabin at the front. So when I have the heater on, when I'm driving, when I'm charging the battery, and when I'm driving, it'll also suck in air and suck it into this compartment in here. So the heating system at the front will heat up in here as well. So that's just a computer fan, 12 volt computer fan. So this is the electrical compartment where I have my batteries. I got a 240 volt battery charger, which I can plug in. Normal 240 volt. 2 lithium batteries down there. I think they're 100 amp hours each, if I'm not mistaken. Then we have the 240 12 volt inverter. Got the DC controller. So the solar panel power comes into that one. The power from the alternator from the motor comes into that one. Distributes the power into the batteries, that sort of thing. Just got an extra sleeping bag. Some other stuff, some other junk. Easy access to that. So I just have my curtain rod here. I hang out my shirts and jackets and stuff. So they're easy to get to. I didn't want to have a cabinet in here to hide the clothes. It would just take up too much space. Yeah, I got a little pocket thing here. You can just chuck in some whatever in there. Easy to get to. So under the bed, I got the fridge, 12 volt fridge, or 24 volt, or 240 volt, I mean. Can have either one. So that just pulls out. I have to open the lid this way. You can't reverse the lid on this one here, unfortunately, but it's still okay. Still has easy access to that. It's not on at the moment, but yeah. Slide that back in. I've got a little lip there, so it doesn't slide out when I'm driving. Got my tools under there, which I can access here. I want to slide them out. I got a bunch of my tools in there. Other stuff that I need, maybe bit more easy access to as well. Got like water, extra water there. Just extra bits and pieces that I'll need. You've seen that one there before, the shoes. But yeah. I haven't done nothing with the roof because I wanted to have that high as possible. I'm not going to bump my head on the roof in here. So that was the same way I bought it when I bought the car. I just put some grey tape here to cover up the holes to make it look a bit nicer. So I'm 5'11". So when I'm laying down, I've got heaps of room in here. So this is a normal 2 meter by 90 centimeters that I cut down to 80 centimeters. The mattress there that I bought. So yeah, that's about it. Just get out again. Yeah, and I can get to the side in case I need to. So that's just behind. Had to cut a hole here because the door has a stopper on it, which interferes when I close the door, so I had to make a hole for that. But yeah, that's my Vivaro long wheelbase 2 litre diesel 2007 model.